God, this reminds me of this one anime I really liked. Got it? Because she still got into like the school in Paris. Is it Paris or in Tokyo? In Tokyo. Oh, in Tokyo, yeah. But yeah, and just seeing her like progress and like be better. Motivating. So hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So today we're on our way to go to the strawberry field. We're gonna pick up some strawberry. It's my first time doing it. I'm super excited. And we're gonna make strawberry crepe cake and cake probably later. That one's not bad. from Sephora for my birthday. So I'm gonna go to Sephora. Debating because every single one of them are so cute. I literally don't know which one to pick. But I'm gonna like ask my friend. So I just got back from Miniso, and thank you guys for the comment on which blind box I should get. But I got this one. I think it's My Melody and My Sweet Piano. And this one has like houses and stuff with the figures. I got the green milk tea with Ichigo. Mine's not sweet at all. Of course, you will be in my vlog. Okay, so this is my taster. Eating some snacks. These are my tasters. I love them. This is so need some. Did you make it?
I didn't make it, no.
What is it?
Or you like the color?
Yeah. It's really cute. I feel like you always give me a mug. Something
I don't know.
Oh my god, wait, I was actually gonna buy it.
Oh, you're welcome. We all got you.
Oh, thank you.
Love them.
Wow, wait.
Tekla says you're welcome.
Yeah. Oh, Tekla. We should have FaceTime her.
Oh, yeah, she probably is.
Isn't it like morning?
This one is. Oh my god, that reminds me of the one that I gave you. Oh, wait, even though I don't like to eat this, but
Wait, that one's cute.
it's so
Oh, that's so cute. I got it again this year.
wow.
The same one you got?
No, a good thing it's not. It's a strawberry.
Okay, that's what sounds good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
strawberry season.
Oh, strawberry. I love strawberries. Tekla, hello. If you are seeing my vlog, I know you're in Georgia, but let me do a reaction. Okay.
I think just wish you had it.
Oh. No, it's okay. I like it. Oh, what is it? Why do I feel like it's something?
She You got it a long time ago.
Crystal ball. Let me open this. Low key
You said she got it a long time ago.
Mini.
cute. I love mini stuff. It's gonna be on my shelf.
Oh, that's cool.
Okay, that's really cool. Okay, then you have to light it up. You have to. Oh, there's no light. Battery? Nope. Oh, there's no battery. So you just.
I just put it in. What the? That's actually.
Hello? Yeah. Okay. What else? What am I supposed to do with
Can you
this?
ask it a question?
Oh, it's so
What is that? Definitely. Sounds like
cute. I think you're supposed to touch here.
It's her voice.
It's your recording. Can I ask you something?
Yeah, you can touch it. What do you want?
When will I be happy? Don't count on it.
Come on it.
Because both of you are going to be happy. It's a probably gentle.
What voice is that?
No. Okay. Thank you, Tekla. I really like it. It's very interesting. I've never had this before.
I thought you liked
That's
that.
not the one she did.
I know. She is the one from Target.
Yeah.
Wait, why you get this one then?
I like how. I don't know. It's different.
You tried
What if it's better?
Should I try it?
Welch's is good. Yeah.
Maybe it's good. You're right. It has vitamin C.
Yeah.
Because you were born during strawberry season.
Oh, that's on my vlog.
cute.
This time it's gonna be strong.
Birthday.
It says birthday on it.
It looks cute.
Oh, birthday candle. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, let's see.
Better be.
Oh,
That's cute. That's the one I
It's
wanted.
strawberry too.
Oh,
Look
okay.
at it. So cute.
Look, it's
Wait,
like a
wait.
tar card.
Yeah. Wait.
Because there's birthday wish, wreath.
I really like it though. Thank you.
Sunflower.
Christmas. You gotta use the. I'll
And
use this
wreath.
for Secret Santa. Calico.
For your makeup.
Super interesting. Oh, of course, every year I'm always so super excited. Gabby's creative car skills.
have so many,
This
but
is actually so
that was-
cute. This is so cute.
Yeah, that was the only one.
Not just like a
I know that's
What is this? Is it us? Okay, I
now it
To show us.
Wow.
Wow.
Like a little collage.
Wow.
Gabby's so good with like DIY
I
stuff.
know.
I know. Why is she so talented? Every time I just feel not talented.
Oh, it's you and her. And then there's like us.
group
That
picture.
street.
Oh, this is so cool. Thank you, Gabby. Ho ho ho.
You're welcome.
Should I put the bird? No.
Oh, wait, that's fine. I was just laughing because I got you.
Can you? Oh no. angle right now. I'm just putting some toner, but I'm gonna do my skincare later. And I don't know why I'm filming this. Okay, my hair is so bad. Anyways, excuse my look right now, but I'm just kind of wait, let me process this. So I was editing my vlog, so it's my birthday vlog. So my birthday was last week, and I'm editing my vlog, and it just hit me that it's been 1 year since my last vlog for my birthday, and it's been a year already, and that's crazy. And in this 1 year, I was looking back on my subscriber count. It was like 880 when I post a video, and now there's 2,000 of you guys. And I'm just like processing this because it's kind of like surreal to me. Thank to all of you guys who support me throughout my journey and basically like follow along with my life. I don't know all of you guys, but I just feel very grateful to have people that support me in my life and follow my life journey. Oh god. But yeah, I just want to say thank you, and thank you guys so much. But yeah, we looking matcha right now, but